Hi, Dr. Conrad. My name is Anna Pappas. I'm with Geomarketing Consultant. You spoke with my colleague Nasos yesterday. We're doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any of your time, if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how we can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name so that it's also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. For example, let's see what this picture saved as here. Chiro 1. You could easily name that as Chiropractor, Riverside, California. You want a keyword or key phrase that people use to search for your service in Google. Content on our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it's what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count, we can see that your front page has only 544 words, which proves what we usually come across, and that content is something that web designers overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. So if I do a search here in Google and I put in Chiropractors Riverside, California, the three listings that come up next to the map are called the Google Map Pack. Of course, there's a fourth listing here, but that's a paid ad. What I want to tell you though, being in this spot brings you about 20% of your calls. And how do you become in that spot? Well, you have to put your business's name, address, and phone number into different online directories. We have a special tool here at the agency that tells us how many citations you have compared to your biggest competitors. So what would be tip number 2? In order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition's in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps, which is this section here. What is a backlink? It's just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool here at the agency, we're going to see all the different websites that are currently linking to you. And in order to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition's in, then get into some places that they're not in, so you're completely overtaking them. This tool shows that you have 61 backlinks ranking you for 35 organic keywords and bringing you about 54 visitors monthly to your website. Well, if we look at your competition, Yelp comes up first, which is an online directory, but after that, the Joint comes up, the Riverside, California location. I know Joint is a big franchise, but we're going to look at the location page just for Riverside, California, and that's here. I'm going to plug in their location page to the tool that I saw your analytics on. They have 93 backlinks, ranking them for 712 keywords, bringing them over 200 visitors monthly to their website. So you're missing out on a lot of business here. Now, you have 61 backlinks. Some of yours might be spammy because you're only ranking for 35 keywords. They have stronger backlinks because they only have 93, and they're ranking for more keywords, and they have a lot more visitors than you do. So what we can do is we can start clicking on their keywords here and pick those that are relevant to you and which you would like to go after, because as I said earlier, in order to beat out your competition online, you just got to rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how we can help grow your business and bring you some new customers, reach out to us and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.